Why do U.S. aircraft carriers have around 6,000 crew members while Chinese carriers have closer to 3,000? Many people think it's because Chinese carriers are smaller or more advanced. China uses more technology to replace some crew jobs, but that's not the main reason. The U.S. Navy builds its carriers like floating cities. They travel all over the world and stay at sea for months, so they need thousands of extra crew to repair aircraft, maintain the ship, and provide advanced medical care while far from land. Chinese carriers have a different mission. They usually operate closer to their own coastline, so if a plane breaks or something needs major repairs, they can return to port instead of fixing everything at sea.